मोदी सरकार लक्षद्वीप को प्रमुख सैन्य अड्डे के रूप में विकसित करेगी। मालदीव के राष्ट्रपति मोहम्मद मुइज्जू के साथ चल रहे तनाव के बीच ये एक बड़ा मास्टर स्ट्रोक है। ऑपरेशन अगले सप्ताह शुरू होगा। आईएनएस जटायु लक्षद्वीप के मिनिकॉय में एक नया बेस, लड़ाकू विमान संचालित करने वाला एक प्रमुख सैन्य केंद्र होगा। नेवी बेस का उद्घाटन भारत के रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह करेंगे।
A grand ceremony. Shivani is getting us more details on that. Yes, Shivani.
Swati, after Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep Islands will be converted into a major military hub, especially for the Indian Navy and the Indian Coast Guard. And in this regard, on 4th of March, there is a new commissioning of the naval base that will be named INS Jatayu. And this naval base will have new fighter aircrafts that will be operational in the future from this particular base. And this is because Lakshadweep is quite in picture in the recent weeks, recent months in fact. So, and this happens to be a major route for the maritime traffic, and also to secure the Indian Ocean region. The Indian Navy intends to upgrade its power in Lakshadweep, and that's why this INS Jatayu will be inaugurated, it will be commissioned. And apart from that, later on many more assets will be added to INS Jatayu. So INS Baz, that is there in the Andaman Nicobar Islands, that is also a naval base. This will be in coordination with INS Baz. So we'll have two major bases of the Indian Navy that will be operational in the region.
Yes, we're given to understand there'll be a grand ceremony on the 4th of March, Shivani, and the Defence Minister is likely to commission INS Jatayu.
Swati, there will be a grand commissioning ceremony on the likely date is 4th of March. It has to happen anyways in the next week. The exact date will be confirmed shortly, but this will happen in the coming week, where Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will be present for the grand ceremony. The two aircraft carriers, INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya, will also be present, and all the senior officials of the Indian Navy will be there. And later on, more assets from the Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard will also be added, and also the Indian Army will bring in their troops in INS Jatayu to make it a coordinated, strategically important base of the Indian Navy, so that the Indian Ocean region is secure, and also to keep an eye on the traffic that goes from this particular route. This is a very important strategic route for the maritime commerce.
All right, Shivani, thank you very much for getting us the latest on that. Slipping into a short break, news and updates will continue.